Okay, so there's a thunderstorm coming in. Well, it's here, but it's, yeah. As you can see, the clouds are pretty fucked up. And there is lightning. You just saw that shit. So, yeah. Yeah, it is. The humidity has dropped significantly. It's still humid, but it's warmer now. But it's also a touch cold. Oh, a touch cool, I should say. Yeah. Oh man, that was crazy. So yeah, it is. Yeah, it's gonna be one of them storms. So record a little bit more, and then I'm gonna stop. So yeah, this is crazy. Even the church light's on. That's weird. There we go. I'll darken it so you can see the lightning better if it strikes over here. But you can hear the rain hitting my roof. Maybe. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's good enough for my ass. So, let me get you. Yeah, I'm getting the fuck off this shit. But yeah, let me do one more thing real quick. Go away. Oh wow. Okay, so yeah, until next time, like and subscribe for thoughts and prayers.